your web page. To do that, you're going to want to navigate to the page you want to put your image on. And then, of course, you're going to want to click your mouse where you want the image to go. And after that, you want to click on the Insert Edit Image button. It's the little tree icon. You'll find it in the middle of the second row of two icons, or second row of the three rows of icons there. After that, a window will pop up asking you for your image URL. Most people are not going to know this, and so you're going to click over here on the right on the Browse button. And after that, the image manager will come up and show you a list of all kinds of different images that you have already uploaded. From there, just click on one of the images. It'll take you back to the Insert Edit Image window. And you can go ahead and click Insert. Notice if you do this without putting a description in there, you'll get this dialog box. It's just prompting you to add an image description. And I'm going to click Cancel so we can go back and do that. But it's not required. It does help you with search engines, and this would be a great opportunity for you to type in some of those keywords or key phrases that you've been working on. So we're just going to type in here, edit your website with ease, and the at symbol. Okay, I've added a title as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and click Insert, and you can see my image is right there on the page. Now a lot of people are going to want to have text wrapped around this. So to do that, I'm going to click on the image. I'm going to click on the Insert Edit Image icon again. That's the little tree. And here I want to click on the Appearance tab. I've got some options here. One of them is to change the alignment. If you want the text to wrap around it, you can click left, and you can see over here on the right hand side there's a little preview, or you could click on right. Obviously you maybe not so obviously, you can't have text wrap around the top or the middle or any of these other alignments. It's either left or right. Okay, so I'm going to click Update on there, and you can see the text is wrapped around it, but it's right up against that box there. You can see right up against the edge of that. And if this image had been a dark background, let's say it was black, and that text, that black text butting right up against it would be very difficult to read. So it's actually good to add some white space around the outside. So to do that, I'm going to click on the Insert Edit Image again, click on the Appearance tab once again, and here's where I add a little bit of spacing. I usually add 3 to the vertical space. This is in pixels. 10 to the horizontal spacing, and I usually, while I'm in here, add a 0 to the border. And you can see over in the preview how it will display an example, a rough idea of what's going to happen there. Okay, so I'm going to click on Update, and you can see now that there actually is a little bit of white space around the outside of my image, and I've got my text wrapped around there, and it's looking great. So next thing you want to do is just save your changes, and you're good to go.